Hi, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. Today I bring to you a story which is so inspirational that it can not only change your life but also your thinking in a big way. 4th of July 1952, Florence Chadwick, a 34-year-old lady and the first one to swim the English Channel to and fro, started swimming. Her mother was there with her, and she was there at probably about 21 miles from the west of Catalina Island. The media was there, there were people watching, and she took up this challenge to do this. It was freezing cold, and you can just imagine the kind of water temperature she would be swimming into. After 15 hours of swim into that cold, freezing water, she told the boats which were surrounding her to protect her from the sharks that I need to come out. So her mother said, "You're just probably near. Why do you want to come out? You're doing good." After 15 hours, and probably they thought that she must have been exhausted, she must have been tired, or maybe some other reasons. So they got her out. After 15 hours of swim, she came to the nearest island. And when the reporters asked her, "Why did you give up? You were just half a mile from the shore." She replied that there was such dense fog that she couldn't see the finish line. 2 months later, Florence Chadwick again made an attempt, and she went in the water. This time around, the fog was more dense than last time, but this time, Florence made it to the shore. And she not only made it to the shore, she was not only the first woman to do that, but she beat the men's record by almost 2 hours. So when the reporters asked her this time, that last time you said there was a fog and you were not able to see the shoreline, how come this time, even though the fog was dense, you did it? The answer that she gave would probably inspire you and change your thoughts and beliefs like never before. She said, "When the last time I missed because of the fog, I did visualize where the shoreline is. And this time, I was not looking at the fog, I was looking at the shoreline, because this time, the shoreline was in my mind." In life, we will come across several difficulties, like the fog which came. But then, we need to understand, where is the shoreline? Where do you want to reach amongst those difficulties? Or are you going to quit? And if you're going to quit, are you going to give a next try to really make the things happen? It's your call. Let's look at the shoreline, let's define it, and let's do it like she did it. I'll see you on the other side of the video. Thank you for watching this.